In this video, I am going to show you how to create a super simple chicken and avocado meal. It will be packed with plenty of healthy ingredients and nutrients that will help aid in weight loss, while also helping you to feel full and sustained so that you can go about your day. I will explain the benefits of having this chicken avocado salad as part of regular diet and how easy it is to prepare in all about an hour. The longest part of this process will be cooking the actual chicken fillet itself. This healthy and filling meal consists of only 7 simple ingredients that are easily accessible and you will be able to find them around your home, or if not, in your local grocery store. These ingredients are half a cup of chopped walnuts or almonds, half a cup of red grapes, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, which will have about 23 calories and 2.9 grams of protein, 1 large avocado, 1 cooked chicken fillet, a handful of spinach or kale, and a half cup of lemon juice. So to get started, cook the chicken fillet in the oven, preferably cook it with coconut oil, and cook it for about 30 to 40 minutes on a medium heat. And next will be to chop up the avocado and mash the contents in a bowl until achieving a consistent paste-like texture. And then next will be to crush the walnuts or almond nuts and mix in a bowl with chia seeds, while also adding half a cup of red grapes with the spinach or kale. Next will be to chop and shred the chicken into small strips and add to the bowl with the other mixed contents. Finally, add the squeezed lemon juice to the bowl and mix all the contents together. You will now be ready to enjoy eating the simply prepared dish. So this is a super simple meal that doesn't take long to prepare, and you will be surprised how good it will actually taste, and it will kickstart your day, while allowing you to also satisfy your appetite and allowing you to feel full and energized. And again, if you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.